In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook post limit. So first of all, open the Facebook. So if you're trying to post on Facebook and it says we limited how often you can post, it is because you've created a lot of posts from your account. You might have posted a lot of content from your account or across the groups. That is why Facebook limited how often you can post. In order to fix it, there is nothing that you can do. All you have to do is simply wait. It can take at least 10 minutes or several hours before you can post again. After you wait for a while, your problem should be solved and you should be able to post again. In order to avoid this situation to occur again, reduce your posting frequency. Make sure not to post again and again on Facebook. Also make sure not to post same content or link across the groups. After you do that, your problem will be fixed and you'll not face this problem again. So like this, you'll be able to fix the Facebook limit. So that is how you fix Facebook post limit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.